Bell pepper. Cut bell pepper. Shredded. Tomatoes. Shred tomatoes. Olive oil, hot pan. Put everything in. Cut garlic. Cut into little pieces. Mix everything. Add Italian herbs. Add tomato spice. Add garlic. Mix everything. Sear nicely. Add ground meat. Pork. Mix everything again. A splash of soy sauce. Add the eggs. 1, 2, 3. One more. 4 eggs. Beautiful. Eggs are cooking. Cover with lid. Cook for 1 minute. Nice. Service. 2 eggs at the time. 1, 2. Delicious and yummy. Look at that. Let's try it. Nice. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.